John's Moto Garage. I had to make sure the camera was on. I couldn't remember if I'd hit record or not. But here we are. This is a 2011 Harley Davidson Road King. I wasn't sure about checking this out just because it's got these crazy ape hangers, but they're 14-inch apes and they actually sit perfect. I think it's a 103 cubic inch. The Road King Classic in 2011 was 103. And I learned this today because I thought they were all 96 cubic inch, but that wasn't the case. Man, this thing is smooth. So yeah, these are 6-speed, belt drive, air cooled, just a massive 103 cubic inch monster. This one's got ABS. What else does it have on it? Here, let's pull over here. I'll let you guys take a look. And this one obviously has quite a few custom pieces to it. I already checked underneath for oil leaks and things like that. Bam, look at that. Beautiful. So the Road King Classic typically comes with your leather bags and your kind of beach bars, which honestly, the way this one's set up is going to narrow the market a little bit, but the price is one that I can look past that. For the right buyer, this kind of has that cholo look. It's pretty dope. Tires are newer. That's definitely a plus. It's only got 13,000 miles and some change. And so for the right person, these are going to be nice. They've got the, I don't know what they call this, but they kind of cover the dual exhaust. This kind of mimics the look of your streak lights. Unfortunately, the tail light, brake light doesn't build into that. Otherwise, it'd be super dope looking. But all in all, look, this is just a nice, clean looking Harley Road King. 103 cubic inch. I'm stoked on that. You got the crash bars, the highway pegs. I mean, this thing is fully decked out. Yeah, it's really nice. So the ape hangers, I don't think they look that bad. Beautiful. Yeah, this thing runs great. Alright, I'm checking the cruise control. Nice, cruise control works. Sorry, I'm a little scatterbrained, you guys. I'm just doing my initial test ride. Can we do a U-turn? Yes, we pulled off a U-turn. Damn, I really dig this. This thing is smooth. It's been a while since I sat on a Road King, and it was a 96. It wasn't the 103. And this thing is just like, man, I'm actually really digging this. Oh, speed bump. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun on this thing. What I was saying with these ape hangers, a lot of people look at ape hangers, and I was the same way when I first saw a bike with ape hangers but hadn't ridden it. It just looks so awkward, like your arms are up here. It just seems like it'd be a real awkward ride, but it actually makes for a real comfortable ride. It's very relaxed. So if you haven't had a chance, before you judge the ape hangers, take a bike with ape hangers for a spin. Now if it's excessive, like that Roadliner I had, or that I test rode not too long ago, that thing was just out of control. It really was. And these ape hangers are on the larger side, but they're not too bad. This bike is, so far, checking out, nicer than I expected. And the guy had it listed well below market value. I expected it to not be close to as nice as it is, and so this is a pleasant surprise, as is always the case when the bike is real clean and checks out. Is this my turn off? Oh yeah, that was my turn off. One thing, yeah, whenever you're checking out a new bike, just make sure everything works. Obviously, but you know. Beautiful, man. This thing is really nice.
Sales guy, and the bigger his commission, the better off everybody is.
Yeah, you don't have to. Dun dun dun. Alright, we're back at La Casa. I left the bike in the truck overnight. I got back and it was dark, so I couldn't film my outro. But we made it back in one piece. Let's go ahead and unload the bike. We'll take a look at it again and close out. do you think of the bike, dude? This is one of the neighbor kids comes over. He's freaking killing it on this bike. Nice, dude. Whoa. Cool, dude. You got to get a helmet, bro.
Yeah.
You get a new haircut?
Yep.
Nice, looks good. Holy smokes, this thing was a freaking monster to get off the truck. That thing was tough. This thing weighs like 750 pounds, I think. Jeez, that was tough. Anyway, so you've got these hard bags. These are aftermarket. I've kind of got mixed feelings on this. I can see where people dig this setup as well. You got the dual exhaust, and then you've got these extensions on the hard bags, so it covers the dual exhaust. This you see a lot with the street glides. People like to set it up like this, so it doesn't look bad. It's just not my personal preference. What do you think of the bike, dude? You like it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? But these are beautiful bike, just nice classic look, real simple. You got the black and the Harley emblem, and again you got these ape hangers. They're pretty big ape hangers, but man, they look massive like that. But they actually sit pretty nice, and I think what it is typically on your Road Kings, you're almost sitting more over the bike. When you have your bars like this, you're sitting over the bike and you're not sitting as much like in a lazy boy. You bring your bars up like this with these ape hangers, and it gives you that seating position where it actually feels more like a lazy boy, where you're kind of sitting back in the bike. So it does make for a little bit more comfortable ride. Of course, that's all going to vary based on your height and your personal preference, but I do see where the ape hangers come into play, and there's a reason for them. All right, I'm gonna put the ramps away. There we go. So there you have it, the 2011 Harley Road King Classic with a few nice extras. As always, thanks for tuning in. John's Moto Garage. We'll hit you guys up on the next one. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and adios, nos vemos.